The Vampire Facial isn't for the faint-hearted, but it's one of the most powerful ways to naturally regenerate your skin. This treatment has become one of our most requested because it uses something special, your body's own healing superpower. Here's how it works. We take a sample of your blood, carefully separate the platelet-rich plasma, and then microneedle back into your skin. PRP is packed with growth factors, which are like your body's own repair messengers. By combining these with microneedling, we create a controlled trauma that stimulates collagen and encourages resurfacing, supporting real skin renewal. The best thing is that nothing artificial is added. It's your own biology doing the work. Over the following weeks, many clients notice firmer, smoother skin with improvements in fine lines, scars, and overall texture. It's no surprise this treatment has become a favorite with celebrities around the world, but here at Hannah London, it's delivered in a safe medical setting with our expert team ensuring comfort at every step. The results? Skin that looks refreshed, radiant, and more youthful. It's the most natural way possible.